Oh, hi, I'm Eric Giroux. I'm the CEO with MailSecur, and today I'm going to show you the MailSecur device. So this device is an all-in-one device for mail screening, and it weighs about 75 pounds, and it's not X-ray, so it's safe for the operator, and it can be deployed overnight, and all you got to do is plug it into the wall, and you're up and running. So I'm going to show you what it can do. So basically, this device is real-time, and what it allows to do is to actually image in real time without getting hurt. And if you put a gun in here and you look at it this way, if you spin it, you can actually make out what the gun is quite easier. And the challenge with mail security is to decode content of mail. So now if you're looking at a package and you have the ability to spin it on all its possible field of view, you can make mail content decoding quite easier. So also I'm going to show you what it does for biological threat, chemical threats, and traditional pie bombs. So we're going to start here with a biological threat. So what we have here is something in the bottom of this envelope. And this is 100 milligrams of powder. And if I do this, you can actually see the powder moving around the envelope. So we say not only do we detect it, but we can confirm that it's powder because I can see it moving around. So that's the biological threat. Now I am going to go to a chemical threat. And if you look at this item, what you're seeing here is 2 packets of liquid that, if combined together, can create an explosion or a flash fire. So now I see the 2 liquid. I can confirm it's liquid because I can see it in movement. And I'm going to move it back. Now I've put it through the metal detection. So I have a possible fuse in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the zoom area, which is right here, and I'm going to start looking for that fuse. And I see a wire coming right through these pouches, both of them, and the wire is right here at the bottom of the envelope. So that's called a slip wire. That is glued at the bottom of the envelope, and then when you open the envelope, it's going to tear the 2 little packet, and there's going to be an explosion. So that's how you would detect a chemical bomb. And if you wanted to take an image of this, you would come here and you could take a picture. Or you could also record a video, which is what I'm going to do right now. So now I'm going to show that this is powder, this is liquid. I'm also going to go to the zoom. I'm going to show that we can see the wire. And then I'm going to put it to the metal detector to record that it does have a piece of metal in it. I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to play it back just to make sure that I got the right video. So now we're playing it back. Now you can see the liquid. Now we're going to go over to the zoom area. You can see the wire. And we pushed it to the metal detector. So now you can grab this video, you can push it to the USB key, or if you allow the device to be connected to the internet, you can send that directly to us and we can review these images, either the ones you send, or we can monitor the device in real time. And I'll show you one last type of bomb, which is a more of a traditional bomb. It's a PI, power, ignition, explosive, and a switch. And if you look at this, you got variation. And what you typically get when there's no threat in the mail is just an envelope that has no powder in its corner, it's all clear, no variation. And then when you look at this one, right away you can see that there's something going on here. So I'm going to check for a possible fuse. We got a fuse. Then I'm going to go and image it. Then when I image this, I start seeing these wires connected to something. So this would be the explosive connected to a switch that's connected to the power. Right, so this is the back of the MailSecur device, and I'm going to show you some of the peripheral connection that you can use. So over here we have a USB connection so we can connect extra storage or various items. Over here we have a local area network. That's where you would connect the internet. And also down here we have an HDMI connection. So it's very good to have a redundant monitor that's in a separate room in case there is an event. Then you can actually go to the separate room and see what's happening inside of the mail screening facility. We also have a Wi-Fi antenna. So, and then back here you've got your label for the device, you got the certification, and your power supply. And that's about it for the MailSecur device. That's all the back components. So the MailSecur device is a simple device, 75 pounds. It comes in a transport case. and basically the transport case doubles as a base to install the MailSecur device on, but the MailSecur device can also be put on the counter. But what's nice about the transport case is that if your threat is moving from one office to another, or if your executive security is moving around, you can also carry the MailSecur device to various locations quite easily. So that's how the device works. If you have any question, I'm Eric Giroux. I'm the CEO with MailSecur, and you can reach us via our website. Thank you so much.